the class.
Yeah, who write them? Who talks something like that? I'll go read the comment later. No.
You see people for calling because of English or payment. Are you my name?
You don't like.
Are you my name?
Hello, my people. Yeah, come on, my earpiece. They will listen to my own. Hello, my Monica Laba people. Yes, so night cooking with Monica. Night cooking. It's not easy. My life as a presenter, a mother, a wife, a business owner, and a lot. That is how it is. Sometimes the arrangement 24 hours sometimes will go too short for you. You have to excuse it. What am I cooking? I am cooking egusi soup with dry bitter leaf, with goat meat. I never even started to wash the goat meat. Shaki, melusa fried fish, and fried rice side by side for children.
You are absolutely.
The only place you will stand in the wrong path is when you know in your heart
and
you really
a lot of
want
gist.
to have somebody in your space. But because the man is rich, the man.
I need my packer.
Your what?
My packer for her. Okay. I'm going to clean and butcher this goat meat. So this is the goat meat I will be using. Since that time I told you, I don't call them put for fridge. I just put them like that. I know if I want to use anyone, they carry and come out, cut and put back. But all this one I'm using tonight for soup and to fry. For soup and to fry. Are you seeing me or I will bring a clothes? Okay. Then I remove the fish because okay, we are going to be doing this cooking with talking. More than just the listening. If I don't feel recommend, not best.
We have one lock through that came downstairs.
Yeah.
Amber smelled it upstairs and said, "What are we cooking?" Is that not locked through?
It's big, you want to go.
Let me go tell Amber. Woo! Amber. Mama, she's just cooking.
Okay, I bet push the handle of the fry pan. Okay, me I not go turn up for myself. Good one. Mommy and daddy, your baby is breathing. That's Mommy Shola. Hi, darling. Thank you, Lady Precious. Thank you so much. Me, yeah, say, don't shop Wednesday because of. I use for real, ma, if your body, they don't see the fly put now. Father, in the name of Jesus, anybody where go fly put for any of my program, Lord God Almighty, that will swing and the way that way. I think I even consign my own program. You will eat chicken. I don't have chicken today. I have shaki goat meat on this one. Yeah, me I got the cut goat meat. They not too late. They more the gist. Me I carry the camera. Yeah, come. Oh yeah, you guys should join me. Join me here. Where will I put it now? Yeah? Yes. Join me here. So, my people, no, so nobody no finish for this life. We are the land. With the land they go every day. You see this fake life, where everybody they talk about, oh, fake life. People live fake life. No, say fake life now different level now it be, Fake life, they different level. Now fake life be. As you understand, if they get fake life, where no day, you no go worry you, you no go worry person wey concern, wey near you. You go just be fake life for governments. Yeah, they use this one, they read comments. Okay? The fake life go be fake life for government. Some go be fake life because you be celebrity. Some go be fake life for that friend. Hey, I need knife. It go be fake life for that friend where you know one may know anything where you do. Only where that be big knife. You understand? It go be fake life for that friend where you know one may know what you do and all those type of things. But there are some fake life where you take by yourself, use low self-esteem or fear of anxiety. What will people say? Now you take get that fake life. Like, it go come make you, you know, say fake life, it make you to become a liar, a pathological liar. You not go fit stop. Because because you want claim what you know be, you can't go claim something where you need to continue to they cover that thing. Before you know, you don't become a pathological liar. What do you want?
Well, like, for this your milk no get NAFDAC number. It's too soft. So that means you don't get NAFDAC number. Nigerian milk is soft.
Okay, yeah, I'll put it here.
You don't want to start me,
Okay.
You want to fry this?
No, wait. I want fry all.
Good.
You they understand so? Because you see, say, you want lie. You fake life, you lie. What till you not get, you say you get some. You go come surprise. If na lie where you know, some kind lie, you feel come back. Some kind lie, you don't need, you know feel come back, you go, they come, they build, they join her. You go, they build, they join her, they go. You don't know when to ever stop again. and if they affect some kind fake life lie. Some people start on the talk when they not make them for abroad. When they not make them, and they're supposed to make them, they will start on the talk, say, I get this, I get that, I get this. Meanwhile, now lie. They don't get anything. You understand? They will come say, I get this for here, I get that for here. Then, when you go come, they see the way they take the also. The way they take the also. You go come, they talk, say, people come, they say, you too like money, you too like money. Sometimes, the person not even there. I'm away to like a money, no there. Some go even they test and say, you are this person is stealing. You not go know. Say not be say the person be stealing, he no get. But he don't fake life, don't let him go there accept. Wait till he no big, go say he be. Okay? Where he no get house, he go say he get house for there. Where he no get land, he go say he get land for there. People go they look like big woman, big man. He get money. But at the same time, how that thing go take the worry you where they live this type of life be say? People go they wonder say, why they live like this? Maybe you see you be big woman. You too like money. Why you not do this? Things where people wey get money they do. You no go see that person they feed doing. The person no go feed they do wetin who get money they do. It go come be like say everybody talk. Sometimes the person said, the more fake life where go they live, he go they say family too get problem. Everybody just want me I help them. Hey, I know fear help our family. Meanwhile, now lie he no get. But he go fianya better say he gets. He can't make everybody they say, since you get, oh yeah, can't help us. He go come the room, say they want to kill me. Everybody will say help me. I don't like my family. I run away from my family because they ask me for help. Oh, okay, no, please, my people where they live like this, think about it and come back before it's too late. Come back before it's too late. Fake life no good. Fake life is not only when you wear clothes. Say na AliExpress you for buy and come look expensive. There are some expensive fake life. It will cost you your life. You will continue to run. You will continue to hide. Nobody gonna know why you they behave like this. Because wait till you let people understand. Say you get money. Now that one people will take they look you. If they want to talk your matter, then they will take they talk your matter. Now, you go surprise. That's why you know feel get friend. You know say if you do fake life, you know they feel get friend. Because if friend when you do today, he come to you like mommy, oh mama, your level too much. Okay? If that person don't wait, trust me, nobody will follow big person will get do friend where one in a lifetime when no they expect something, especially when the person come to you because you say you too much, you they do help for poor people. I need to get some sleep now, Monica. Bye. Good night.
Yeah, man. Life and direct, man.
Good night, my lady. You know I took excuse today, guys. I said I will be here. It's not a must to wash. Yeah, even if you are my lover, go and sleep with daddy. Especially when you are in Europe, go and sleep. Don't worry. Wash it tomorrow. I know they do party, but I know I'll get chance to cook tomorrow. So I need to cook and this evening. I'd rather use this my evening because yeah, like the banner away. So me I just use and take cook. Tomorrow I'll sleep. If I wake up, I'll go where they go. Not be say if I wake up, I can't think of how I want to cook for children first. No. rather just do it now. If I step out tomorrow. Sure you they understand?
They used to be now.
Sure you they get me so, my lovely people.
No
Please limit your fake life. Fake life go make you anytime when you see say people want start to see you finish, you go want to talk more. Meanwhile, you don't get that thing. You go want let people know say man, I too much. I get for here. I get for there. But the way you take the walk, the way you they do, the way you take the lead go make person where do you friend. Before they go one notice, pium, you go vex. You go say, bad friend, you done good. You go commode that one for life. If you see people where they always do this type of very deadly fake life, you know, say fake life now with different grade. Don't they keep friend though? May they keep friend. May one day come now, come close. You can't come me ass. Now come know each other. You do well. Oh, now come go Nigeria. You come one know you where that your house, where they here, where that your Abuja house, where that your year house, where that house where you build for Saknoba. The person you come to say us not the last year. He gets 2 friends where fall out because of say fake life. They fall out from each other. Oh no. Because of fake life, they fall out from each other. Okay? They be very good friends, so they can't go Nigeria. When they're there here, this madam of a friend, he friend wait up say, in a madam, he too much, he get everything, now he get that house where they close to Uwelu Market, now he get that house, that white house where they for upper. He said nothing with this is friend, not Soko. The house where they for GRO, he come Abadoran, people come they follow and dragon, now that one he come get for court. Nothing way not talk. This is friend now. What's it? I touch sad and red head. My by mistake. Oh, no problem, no problem. I don't even watch self food. They do pull red. I know they wash now. The people know. Oh, they can don't be stupid. Okay, you understand? So now this is friend. They don't play for long now. That one now because he see say this my friend. You too much. He go they tell this his friend go say you get one place so they talk say they want sell one land for close to GRO, but I no fit to how you take buy land for GRO. Then say now even come they say you see that upper de suwa for the front there all the land where they there now sell land because he buy when he did this thing, when he just make some money, he just put time. And now don't they diff now the time where I never sell my land where they there. I forgive you for good price. This is friend when they give one hand say me or see me now or Gano were too much. So this is friend now. If he want come they go build that for where they call that village, somebody help me. That village where school day. No, not be the one where school day. I know. You mean a Kasebo.
Long throat. We have a lot of long throat tonight. That
village where they, if you pass before you reach a toll gate of those days, me and see who they follow there. Those days. Now then would they follow come for Bogui. Okay, that village. Nah. They don't build them well. Before you reach Oluku, before you reach Ekadolo, me magin na Kasebo, Ekadolo Kaseba agbere ovia. Abi, magin yon be na bregbese. Egeni yan igai. There now, if you pass there, you can't reach toll gates. If you they come from Benin, but if you they come from Lagos, you go reach Tollgate before you can reach Oluku. Let me see, we go right on the way that they call Ovyogie. Okay?
Yes, Ovyogie, very close to Sasoba. Yeah, I know.
Only say, I beg. Enjoy your reggae music. We don't call you for you. Ovyogie don't do Sasoba. So, if friend can call him, he can tell him, say, my friend, I want to buy land for Ovyogie. This is friend, so he can tell him, say, Ovyogie, hell, the time when we dey buy land, Ovyogie na village now. Now village you want buy land, I don't want to say, now where money ratio, it be because you say you get for GROA, I be really like me, I still try for that. You understand? Now he say, no worry, I'll call one of my agents. Agent will help me say land for that. Oh, God, why that me in a fake life? Extremely fake life. It's not good, my people. Please don't do extremely one. ACO no. Ovyogie, now if you pass a Tollgate of those days, you understand? I know say we come on, you not say now they come on Tollgate. So if you be never come on that time, you might not know. So now he tell me his friend say, wait, me I call my agent. Where help me they sell my land for GROA. If you go see anyone, give you. So he said this is from not being a journal. The time when you go buy land for Yogi. He could do big madam for him because he really they respect him. Like this my friend. He na madam. He said I say go tell her. Eriya come on. Na so if I carry on more that time. For Italy, they come they look for them. Now so he can go Belgium. Now he go they talk big people. Oh, yeah. Oh, need they play reggae music for you. Only.
Yeah, what?
You they sing, come out, see they disturb my own. Yes. Yeah. You put earpiece for ears, so you know they know. So you they sing, come out.
Oh, join now.
No.
Oh, Joy, what do you do now? Saturday, now this quite deal.
Okay, Joe.
I'm in a day so dance part.
Okay. So my people, now so we friend, he say this is friend he can't delay him. After some time now, he can't tell her say, oh sorry, my agent say the land where remain, he don't sell land. You the hear am. So the woman can say, okay, the woman can go buy land for Ovyogie. Finally, can they build them? He say they build them because he go they tell his friend because he say this is friend. And I give one now. Person we get a house for Abuja, get for year. Now wait till they tell him that so. He say, my sister. Now he come they build that so he come they tell this his friend. He come they tell this his friend. Before you know his friend come they shift small. Come on for him. He don't know why, but he don't even know say he they run for him. He come feel say this my friend. Why they try to they shift away from me? Is he they feel say because they build that I'll come ask him money. Una they see now say they be sometimes some people go live fake. You way better pass them. You go come even they fear them. So now the woman say he got the thought say why they run for in your way because I they build that I'll come tell and say I beg borrow me money or what. Say he can rest, he can they walk, he can they do one. You know? He said this is friend. More than they listed to different area where that kind extremely fake life they affect person. Okay? Fake life where you they claim say you rich. Okay? You feel live fake life, you don't get I want to talk maybe like government. Oh, you marry for Africa, you but tell government say you be single mother, that one is still fake life. But it's there is a reason for it. It's understandable. But you see fake life of say I'm a rich person. Oh, so he said this is friend though. He go they talk their working place. Because this woman a cleaning job now she they do. I don't want to talk country where they do, but if I dey talk this story, they go just now. Una go understand say now last year, now I settled them for his house. Some kind of people know. So he say cleaning place waiting for the work for nights. Now be cleaning job for night. He go come enter house for morning. He say if he go come tell this his friend challenges where they. He say one time they go say they come tell him for that working place. Make he if who go fit bring person come, they will pay that person extra money. He said so he come they tell this his friend say loud, you may do a help me look for somebody where I will carry go my work. Me and still take that extra money. You know person where go work. He said this his friend come ask and say which one for that your work? I get person, but the person say he know they do night shift. Hey, oh, Sunday me fake life. The person where he get say he no go do night shift. Now the one that one can say hey, no problem. He go tell them, may he come, they go carry and put. Okay, not knowing say that this one so, and this one you know they tell that one saying they come up for us. He go say ask rent. He go there for a president, go they call. Hello, agent. Why do you go me? Oh, man said, why do you go me? Who was soon war? Who was soon war? We now okay. Now really truth. He said sometimes he go just bastard they use money. He go say he ask rent money. My friend, he good make that they do for grand sha. He good make that they do for grand. No go no say this is friend go ahead go work for some for some kind country. Go tell and say they go Nigeria or go hide go one country go they do a shower. When they see you, not be by force. If you tell person say I feel make I not make I again, or I know even make I talk. Make I also me I make I again, or I don't make mistake, no problem. Now that one they always teach people. No, this woman not do like that. Can't still they fake with it, not get. So that one can't tell and say that they look for work for a working place. He can't tell say no go do the person where you want bring come not go do night shift because this is friend and night shift they do. Say now after now money oh he go they do. So then the woman can say okay, may bring the person come. Now he can say give telephone number. He can't give a telephone number. He can't say the person go drive go. Your husband go carry and go. Not no say now this woman by himself. Now he don't the jealous. Okay, he don't the jealous. This is friend where they do cleaning job where they build that. Una they hear me. So now he can't give her the number. She can't follow the back. He can't go. The work they can't really give her. Okay, they can't give her the work. He can't they do money one. He don't let the friend know. Say now he need the work. Now he go they do the cleaning job by himself. His friends they can't pay and say the person where you bring come he don't they work. So they can't they still they do friend they go. Maybe now they see. Friend go they cheat you, go they deceive you for a very long time. That's one thing with fake friend. With friend where they live fake life. They go they deceive you for a very all your friendship with them is under deceive because they can never be real. Because they don't already fit tell you what they don't get, they say they get. So oh God.
You say man keep you company.
And this company too much. I they talk and they hear your music.
Sit it down as home, man. That your body not the heaviest. The weight of the world is on your chest, on your chest.
Shebu na they see my life. Una way go say Daddy Ko is the best man. This type of thing, sometimes you don't want to hear music. I know as I got this, so he managed the music. The music in the you know, metal only send. Hey ho. Sometimes, if they play music inside one room, I say, where the people wait on say they want carry you. Me, I see if they'll feel beer where you just want to sleep on your somebody on they play me that music. Okay, so he said this is friend though. Another when they clean you, he don't know. If he can call him, person where they work for a working place, so if he call him, go say he travel, he busy, he need me. You want to say go, you want winning me, you want renovate, you want renovate ogunye.
Hey, wait, mother renovation, wait. You know the kind of music I'm listening to?
No.
He said then, sit down assuming that your body not the heaviest.
Okay, that's if you are fat. Okay.
No. That your body not the heavy.
Oh, your bonding. Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Sit down and assuming.
Yes.
You are sitting down and you are just assuming on your own. That your body not the heaviest. That your burden that you are bearing is the biggest. And the heaviest. The weight of the world is on your chest. It's on your chest. That is the weight of the whole world. Is lying on your chest. That you are wondering how come you are the one bearing this, but you should understand that you don't even know what the next man is bearing.
Exactly.
Did you understand?
Yes.
That, but you should also don't forget, most importantly, that God will never give you more than you can bear.
Yeah. Oh, nice music.
Yeah, man. I don't know the music when me and listen together.
I know.
All right, man.
Okay,
You know, disturb I and I.
No, we're not trying to disturb you and I.
Man up.
My Facebook people, Mona not trying to disturb you and I. Okay?
Man up, man, turn up.
So, Happy Robinson, why are you crying? Man up,
stand up.
You sure say he miss road. What happened?
That's how you drive me. I love these people so much.
I'm a copy generation.
Man,
still copy this late night cooking. Oh yeah, Mona cut this side. Me, I don't cut the meat.
Man up.
Okay. Yeah, I don't put the goat meat. I want to put the spicy. Okay. So, hello, that's my Emily J for life. My JJ daddy. My J daddy, my J mommy. They say you be man, you be woman. We confuse them.
You got your mind up. Stand up, man.
Oh, Papa.
Sit down, assuming that your body not the heaviest.
So, now so way the woman oh.
No. What is beautiful?
I want to make really this spicy.
Trying to pee. Young man, no cry. No cry.
So,
Man up, stand up, hold your head up, man up. You got to man up, stand up, man up. Hey, let me play some Bojo Banta, you know. Yeah, hills, some valleys, man. Yeah, that's not him. Hey, what? Not the problem. No, not drug. No, fucking no.
il y avait là, il y avait National TV,
Calibrated people.
Okay, so he said that so way
Don't let them.
If friend come dey work, we come tell am say he busy o, he dey renovate his house, he just dey look for money, he dey negotiate something, and so house for here, he go even dey tell house for abroad. So say eboka maro we now because everything wey they tell he no even dey really check. Can you understand? After all, he don't no say he big before he just feel say okay, we have a matagele no, and see no all these big people. Or see a person tell me say I know church again, I know the answer. If you go no church again, that me who feel only church again. So now some way she come dey believe the woman, not knowing say the woman they work for her place because she be the work, come save money, come buy land, come start to the build and where friend see. In friend where they big go for her, don't already they impress he. Oh my God, you have you don't already see he. Hey, me no worry man. They do madam up and down. Baby, we are winner. Me no want to go. Hey, any boy, a weapon we get massive finish. Me man easy. So they start to they work for them. 9 1 day now. The people where they gather, they work together. Now they come. Now they come. They talk about people where they work in the morning. Now Ghana woman come tell and say your sister they work in the morning. Oh. Now he say his sister, who be his sister? Then he say Nigeria person. No say other country. Now so we still they do. We see. Ghana person will say your brother. If Ghana people still see us, they will say our brother, our sister.
I heard Ghana people. What did Ghana people do?
Ghana people know at the top. So now Ghana woman will be her friend. Come tell and say, my sister.
Over. Valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute that they don't like you. It hard over here.
Extremely fake life. It's not good. Me, I call the whole story short. Yeti Taleya.
Over here.
So, now you say your sister they work for daytime. Oh, now you say who be his sister? Now you say one big woman, Nigeria woman. You there here? Now you say one big woman. Nigeria woman, the woman they come with big car. The woman a big woman, they put big earring for year. He fair, he do like this. They carry big bag. The woman, if they wear better cloth, content they do our cleaning job. Now Nigeria woman, they don't say all this big woman. They can't do this work. Now that one can't they curious like which Nigeria person or even win and see when the man or you go to yeah. Now that one can't they look for way to say, can you snap a picture for me? I want to know this big woman. He say, it's a big woman, Nigeria big woman. Even the woman when I work with her, the woman they tell me say she just want to do this for 2 weeks. Say she want to go to Nigeria to bring his children. That he need. You see her again. Now so the people where don't they live like this, anywhere they go, their first foundation is fake life. They go just balance you. You go just. That's why they can spend to look like this to make sure.
Come on.
I love it.
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
So more day yet this got me not to they say before it's on. So it was so done. America. So 9 Now the woman come they look for way to tell no this Nigeria woman. You know now so with they be. When somebody else say, you say, if you see one woman, wait on today, big woman. The other one go say, big woman, Nigeria woman,
Hurry up and come.
when he come see and he friend, wait tell and say, he no need to walk, he like don't better. He dey collect rent from this place, he dey collect rent from that place, he get house for here, he get house for there. That one they look and big. That one can't start to the imagine. Come tell the Ghana woman say, look, oh, if your friend wait till you say, he get heaven and earth, can't deceive you, can't they go walk. First of all, he tell you say, na person need the walk. Then he not tell you, he can't go there hide the walk. Wait till you go think, that one can say, let me say, that your friend not be good friend. He must get something a lot where they hide from you. So now that one say he can play along, he can live, he not tell, he just live. So they plan to go Nigeria together. All those ones they waiting make this a friend quick go they work. No make an amigo low. So he says so when they come reach Nigeria now, as he tell and say he get for here, he get for there, he can tell and say now your ass we go just stay. Oh. He said no problem, no problem. They even reach Lagos. Say now I ask you they go now, now he carry on. They drive to one person hotel like that. Why not stay hotel no Ija? We just go for a proper rio. We very on the area you make me a walla upon get your market the day. Here you want here. You very your idea believe again. Come more fair height for this hotel. Or when not there with the day on Tinta by say, make me still shower on site before they go everywhere. They can't come back to Europe. Now even give them money, you no see but one. Even I had to wait tell them for year. So when that one come reach here, they come quarrel. When the quarrel come happen now, something else come happen for year. They come make them one come blow something for social media. Somebody come call for social media, come talk the matter. So they come bring the matter, come for me. So now so where they come talk inside body for where me the matter we come drop. The meme will do we be the some fragment will go somewhere. The meme will do content with everybody. Wait. And I hear my lovely people. When the woman come the bobo koto come the narrate story where this is friend they play. Even when they go Nigeria at the end of the day, ye mommy owa. No time here where how many years? The one where the GROA, the one where the Nenemi Joshua, the one where the other one, the one where built for your mama. You see, he no see one. Now so you put up for hotel, go soon go. You know they go like that. Say you not a copa, you not idiot doing. He can find out say this my friend. Nothing. And this is friend. If I feel help him, he go get everything where they talk saying get so. But when you they live dangerous fake life of you no make and you say you make or he love that person. Then they cause all this type of sometimes people go they say, why we worry? They no more gwali go we worry. Go babe yabo. You don't understand. And they can't come back again. They keep on hiding. They go keep on the high puts. They go the high puts. You know good. You know good, my people. If you don't say they live this type of fake life, whole break. Life is not a competition. Even if these two people so. When the friend confess, when they quarrel, every secret come open. Do you know that woman today, they live a life? That mommy, he can't live a life. He dey one country now. He dey live a life. He can't dey go, he can't know man. Me myself, I can't know now. Now mommy we senior me, I can't know now. Say mommy not soin. really go the work, really go the work. If those things when you they take cover up, if it there your eye, go and get it. He say no even there. Why not tie or when you come kind of okay. Every tie, na make no with your bone or no give them away. These days when we come this so, if you just see person where you go say this thing you know do about you go say no me no this one where you just see so which one I want to talk now self he go say now this will be you want to turn this thing go break this will be this one a small one now. I get the party one, I get the one, but I just want to use this one today. You go come buy me big one. Touch you. You not go come buy me big one. Now so if the big one I go they live fake life of waiting you don't get. You go they you want tell that friend say, hey, live on this one. I get bigger one, I get stronger one. No worry, they say I don't just want to go bring a comment. The person can say, okay. These days, if you even do like that, self, people don't work. They'll deal with you, but no need. Just leave you, make you follow your things for them. Because everybody don't know, say, a lot of people, fake life is too much. And that fake life, you are using it to hurt yourself. Then they see normal fake life of, say, makeup, look like a queen, do like this. Yes, it's good. It's good. That one, a normal one. Mommy, that one when not they let your life they waka. That one when they give you unnecessary. I don't know as I have to talk. You cannot live with it forever. If they cash you for year, you will say, I said the one where they be there. I can't go use and buy the one where they Abuja. The day when they go find out say no they Abuja. I said the one where they Abuja. I can't go use and buy for Ghana.
Baby, I can't stand the feeling without you around me. So take this time for love.
That's it. You know they stop. Me, I not go break my but me I take another one. You understand? That's it. He not they stop. He not get anything. He not get anything. I am telling you. More than let and stuff. If you they live like that, you keep on building loud on top of yourself. You they build like you say, some people they go they talk before they get they go say fake it in you make it real. It's not easy. Go and ask Laura.
Hey Monica, now your favorite song they play so.
Fake it till you make it. They say he make Laura no buy ticket for his sister. Linda. No buy ticket for his sister. Laura not be America because the way we come to the junior with sister now we make it. Go ya fake it till you make it. Sometimes too much fake it till you make you lose a lot of things.
Only know you be high when you feeling low. Only you strong when you missing her.
You understand?
Only know you love her when you let her go.
There is nothing like truth. There is nothing like truth.
Let
you gain a lot.
go.
And this abroad, I mean they talk for this social media. Nobody can come out and come laugh somebody. Ooh, you know guys for Africa. Well, among my own lovers. No. I say now all those bad people I know talk to. If now my own lovers, now you go say, ooh, you know guys for Africa. Now you the Chris. Now you the mad. So they sound like why the necessary blood pressure? This type of life, if you be my lover, you deliver. Stop it. It will not make you keep a friend. You could really see good people who go be your friend. Don't forget, say, witches don't swear friendship, but friendship is still sweet.
Only know you be high when you feeling low.
If your hand, God really make you jam,
only know you love her when you let her go.
Friend, it's still good. Especially normal casual one. Maybe not too much deep anymore.
Look your way.
Yeah. You understand me so?
Body good.
But if you dey live like this,
Oh baby.
why you go dey run from people?
I said we're great when you go to sleep.
Oh.
Never touch her,
You see,
you never
that the cool,
treat
not the
her
leg, the
so
year with
much,
you.
and you die
Oh, why
too
we hear
deep.
this here? Oh,
Oh baby. When you
That the
think
cool,
of July when it's
boy.
burning low.
yeah.
Only you just show me when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Daddy.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Ah.
Now you contract me. I did work for my work. Oh. You money love. Only know you draw when you miss it home. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Yes.
Whoa,
Akure, my lady.
and you let her go. And you let her go.
Please.
And you let her go.
So much of beauty, fake life like that. You know,
And
that
you let
one
her
is
go.
a very...
You let her go. You let her go. You let her go. Only know to the light when it's burning low. Only know just song when it starts to snow. Only
too
know you
loud.
love her when you let her
Honey.
go.
Honey,
I'm still entertaining our people.
Betty.
Beckman did you.
but it's
When
too...
it's burning low.
You
What?
see, you know, say because you dey listen,
It's
you
too-
know,
oh,
say
yeah.
your voice,
Only know
eh,
you love her when you let her
still too
go.
high.
Okay, man, Luana, like this, sir.
it's still too high.
No, you didn't like when it's
It's still
burning
too
low.
high.
Oh, you just don't when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you be high when you feel low. Only know the road when you're missing
It's
her.
a case of my
Only know
neck.
you love her when you let her go. Lord. Only know you be high when you're feeling low. Only hear this song when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Hey, Monica, they go sleep because I'm working tomorrow.
Okay, go now, me.
I need to wake up on time. But do I sleep in the afternoon though? Love her when you let her go.
Continue, Daddy, cool. Eh?
Hey, Bobo, man.
Who can still be this? No mind that person. Eh? Now you come person. Now you come person platform. You will never sleep this night. The man they go for inside social media. You man come and platform. Now you go they see mad people every week. Eh? When the madness man give me,
what will I do with your good small mind? Only me. Spinning. I'm treating you. Only my love is for mine. Treat you right. Oh, kitty. Oh, is it alright? It's alright. My head's done right.
Yes, sir.
Me.
Love
your perfect, your edges, and your perfect imperfection. Give my all to me. I give my all to you. I love you endless, my beginning. Even when I lose or winning, I give you all of me, yeah. Give me all of me, you, yeah. Whoa.
Okay, please, my lovely people. The reason why such life is dangerous is because all the things where the people, where this type of people go they claim. Always say, I get this, I get their own material, worthless, rotten things. They will just continue from one climb to another. This year, they go get this. Next year, they go just climb to another
Don't know why.
Next year, another. You will never, you not go ever hear anything where they get. Wait there for somebody to say, wow, everything is somewhere like, and you go they wonder when this person, okay, as you get house everywhere, get property everywhere, get money, full bank. When you want start to the enjoy, do you know that thing? Then they make people go they say, you can't be like say, sometimes if you can't this man, you want call that person say, I will go one. They will come, they call you say, you they jealous. Sometimes not be say you really they jealous, because you know say, no, it doesn't work this way. People who acquire all these things you talk about, they don't reason like you. They don't talk this way. They don't act this way. They are not like this. It go come make people, as I first talk and see, they go, oh, he's teaching. Not be person where person feel say get money, not be you they talk say it's teaching. Person where you know say not get money, you go talk say it's teaching. You yourself go already say, oh yeah. But when person make you know saying get nine, that's why people feel call and say, oh, he's teaching, because they are expecting, imagine, or temena, this my sister, where he get here. Only small help, no go even feel help me, no go even feel do this. It go come they make people feel say you are stingy. That's door people, somebody like us. One time meeting they know such person. I'm not going to talk say the person stingy. The person even they tell me for my presence say this person is stingy. We no me say you go to no. You go no we man smart when I feel go me.
Well, don't proud the matter they feel.
Oh no we go leva no mu mi okpa. We ata go me. Wo na me. No for my camera. Some people just they vex
from creation.
As my daddy cool they give.
Police can do it alone. So we're recruited. Soldiers coming from there.
Oh my God! You will never know his way to his own house. No matter. Since he choose to insult an elderly daughter of fisherman, can you imagine if that will cure his madness? These people, they are crazy what they are doing, man. It's not nice.
General issue we are one if wait the banner with the green and gold. Praise and turn, it doesn't preach that soul, break down just like Jesus. Can't remember the earth, can't sit down, can't the earth. But I can't do it alone, so we're recruiting. Soldiers coming from there, far I choose. Executing.
Voila. Come and go.
Welcome's trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rastas youth. I am not to be true. At the giant window comes the army. And welcome struggle, welcome the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rastas youth. I am not the army true. At the general issue we are one for. Well, right, just so there's a come. Left, right, just so there's a come. Could I never throw it down, no. Well, the left, right, just so there's a come. Left, right, just so there's a come. Left, right.
Okay, I think I have to
continue. Sorry. Here comes danger. Rastafari will come. Listen by the Savior.
I have to come and join to
Here comes danger.
remove the boy.
Here comes trouble. Here comes the danger. Hey.
I've got 7 money. They know. No, you I don't need the meat. Okay, now I'm going to cook egusi soup. Very small egusi soup. I don't want to make it too much.
That fire me a chan. Yes, I'm a ganja planter.
Yeah.
Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when me put me ganja. Babylon come. This stinky helicopter flew to the air. When they call it, when I did it, call. When you want to get your fertilizer. And this one is the helicopter, me a chan. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja.
Hey, great bush lion. I talk and said that my American people go say yeah. I agree to your correct, sir. That's correct. Facebook Godfather. We know they take side. When they talk better. Godfather with face. Godfather with voice. Godfather, we know the fear face. That's Facebook Godfather. More than how they follow and dragon. How can somebody be doing Godfather no face? Eh, man. This one is our Godfather with face. Because so we boy Godfather, we not get face, no level. I was really watching the film this evening. I laugh. Oh Jesus. Okay, that's where you can't put this on here now. Okay. I have to put the meat. But if I put meat, I don't want meat too done. Maybe my problem. Supposed to put meat, but I won't put meat. I don't want meat too done. So I'm going to put red oil inside the water. That is that oil where they bring come for me from Nigeria.
Babylon come. Mr. Gunto, Babylon again, so one welcome.
So I'm going to put
Ganga Jala, Ganto Mandi Mali, one wood, one welcome. Wow, yeah. Ja, ja, ja. Call me. Deep down in the earth when me put me ganja. Ganja, me ganja, ganja. Monica, ma make you laugh.
Yeah.
What music you like? Ma play 'em?
They go.
No, I will sing it.
Okay, okay.
I will sing it, not you, eh?
Yeah.
You know, say this music they cause trouble between me and you, right? Those days, eh? Ah, nah, music where they cause trouble. Wait first. Nah, Red Rat.
I'm a ganja planter. Call me a ganja planter. This is Shaki. And they cut them small.
Okay, listen. Yeah, hey, British girl, them. But bitchy blood, busy blood.
So this is Shaki.
You don't like it? Bitchy blood,
No man, I'm supposed to put meat. But my meat, I don't want it too done. That's why I won't put meat. So this is just oil. Mixed up. And my grinded egusi with pepper, everything, crayfish going inside.
Tell me how come here in Jamaica so many people don't like Rasta man. Tell me how come. This smells.
Okay. Cover.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much, Bush Lion. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, American people that survive. People.
Yeah. Let us take a look around. See what's going around.
Before we end, no.
Tell me how come
I must finish my cooking.
So many people don't like the rest. Tell me how come.
Hello, Genevieve. Amen. Daddy cool. Oh, Come, Papa. Honey.
Out of many one people, can you see no see that?
Beckman, they talk to you.
Everyone be. Hey, who is that?
Beckman.
Hey, sister me. Yeah. Namio. I did. In fact, I know Kada go jam and join them.
So shall it be in Jesus' name. I beg give us another
Hey man, London cool. Repeat getting it to them, London cool. Repeat getting it to them, lad. All of the cool I never get an woman, a dog and man. Are we a real cool just to make me feel it? I what I read. Jamaica nice, Jamaica
nice.
Yeah man, bless her. Oh, she caught already. Now continue rapping, man.
Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. Okay, I want to cook my
Tell me how come.
back fried rice. This is not really
Tell me how come.
original fried rice, but this is Brazilian.
Tell me how
I'll be Mexico.
Come down.
I don't know which of it, whether Mexico or Brazilian.
This is what we sweet.
Okay?
Out of many one people, can you see that anyway? Everyone be equal.
Okay.
This is why so many died, leaving so many to cry. Tell me how come? Can we see the education like you them uptown? The sentence should have been that. Tell me how come?
Oh, no.
Belly on the street, I'm Babylon like one that lay them on seat. Tell me how come that the country come to that is so unfair. In this sweet paradise, this is what we sweet. Out of many one people, can you see that anyway? Everyone being equal.
Okay.
This is why so
Fried
many
rice.
die, so many legends
Put that
cry. Life is so unfair.
Where my phone? Where I take the video? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, my people.
Can you not
How
see
you
that
guys
anyway? Anyone in equal. This is
Increase
why
the
so
microphone
many
that the
die.
coolest.
Leaving so many to cry.
Thank you, sir, for correct positive vibe. Yeah. That is, let me separate meat for fry and meat for soup.
A Rasta going Rasta. Oh yeah. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. You don't have to dread. This is not a dreadlocks thing. It's divine conception of the heart. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. You don't
This
have
one
to
for
dread. This is not a dreadlocks thing. Divine conception of the heart. It is the life of our liberty. Trust in the power.
Now say I taste spice and if you taste pan when you go fry them. Oh.
Prophecy. Trust in the power of the Trinity.
Not too much so.
The
sweetness.
Majesty. The first that is sovereignty, knowing what's.
Thank you, my lover. My lady Lucy, you marry here.
Have a dread to be Rasta.
My lady, please don't forget to post your page show.
Dreadlock.
Honey, when you marry here, now what post the email?
What?
My page show.
Oh, sorry.
You see now that they remind me, just post them before you go sleep. I beg you.
Sure, I will do that. Sorry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just use any of my picture.
Rasta, don't have a drink.
Thank
This
you
is not
so
a
much,
dreadlocks
Lady
thing.
Lucy.
It's divine conception of the heart.
God bless you.
Don't be afraid of Jah ever burning fire. Trust in Jah fire and never get burned.
Who sing you make you burn?
The fire that raise over heat, air and water. No water can put out Jah fire. Jah fire gonna live Rasta higher. You don't have to drink to live Rasta.
You see,
You don't
man.
have to drink. This is not a dreadlocks thing.
Men, no say fear, not the let me teach women. Oh, sabi women.
You don't have to drink to be
So
Rasta.
men,
You
people
don't
where
have
they
to drink.
Aduro
This is
camp.
not a dreadlocks thing. Divine
Men,
conception of
where
the
they
heart.
we be single men. Okay, they eat better food before you go jam woman. Don't talk say you know sabi cook. Look at Monica here. I'm always teaching you. You see, I take cook this very easy egusi soup.
Don't we wrap that up?
Beautiful. Oh yeah, talkie. Very easy. You see, as I take cook and just snap.
Don't be
I am
afraid
moving
of Jah
by your
ever burning fire. Yeah. Drop the Jah fire and you will never get burned. No.
Every man went for a
The fire that raise over each air and water. No water can put out Jah fire. Jah fire gonna live Rasta higher.
Are you guys seeing it?
Happy
Come.
dread to be Rasta. Don't happy dread.
Eh? People that are not also Nigeria people.
Don't have
This
to
is
drink.
shaki that
This
is
not a
inside. I have not
dreadlocks
put
thing.
meat and
Divine
fish
conception on the
because I don't want my meat to look too soft. No. If I put it, it becomes too soft. I will still cover it.
This is
and
not
make
a
it
dreadlocks
cook.
thing. Divine
Yeah?
conception. I like this. Sila. Bombokla. Bam!
Oh, wait a
On the
minute.
button. Come back with.
Okay. Yeah? You see her? Ooh, see this one.
Oh God.
I'm supposed to fry
I said
this
it to
thing for
people
this
can
one.
see.
I don't want me to do one this night.
America, people of America, what? When we have some top places like Dubai, whoa, yeah. Life of propaganda, they speak of Africa.
Okay, let me put this one for front. I put this one for back because that one
Find
also
the
need
truth for myself.
fire, but this one I need
Why,
fire.
yeah. The world is so beautiful, don't you know? From Cape Town
This
to
one I
Accra
don't
and
need too much fire
Vegas.
anymore.
So many beautiful
This one
eyes
need
behold. So many beautiful time for two. Yeah. Go to glorious city, Senegal. Caribbean man, boy. It was wicked that day, you know.
Yeah.
The diamond. Where did you live? Well, just a pool of poverty, yeah. And a hump belly. just for conspiracy. Always a seal.
Okay, now.
On the era. Go on to go into the truth of Jah. I am not strong than an
My
era.
bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf where I soak for hot
Where
water.
on the praise of the era. Go on to go into the truth of Jah. I am not strong than an era. I cry for Jamaica, people of Jamaica to people of Jamaica. Don't realize that reggae music is the savior. That you use them in a Gambia, and if you never knew, you would have said DJ Gabriel, you're from Jamaica to hold on to culture, Rastafari culture. Yeah, we together to Jera. I have a better to let grab on and celebrate it.
Okay.
See the light. You were together on that era.
Very
You
good.
were going to the future Jack. I am not strong than an era.
Bitter leaf. Dry bitter leaf.
No one is well to the future Jack. I am not strong than an era.
I use hot water. This so can sings. Come soft so I can slice on that.
What?
You can put some. Yeah, Mr. Man. Not to say you never get woman. You not go eat better food. It's not allowed. Now, and now I want to put Maggi for a goosey soup before I come put the meat because I don't want to make my meat too dull.
That era, go and it goes with the truth of Jah. I am not strong than an ever. See,
Now, husband, where they try, that woman, they loyal for yes. So, hello, mommy, Didi.
The truth of Jah. I am not strong than an ever.
Now the cool is giving it. When fry again.
Yeah. Anytime I'm in the flight on here, this one where they play so when I'm in the flight coming to you in to Holland, this is what I play. I will always sing it. I'm coming home, baby. Yeah, man. Yeah,
this one is from fried rice where I say Brazilian or
I'm coming home. There was a time all I wanted to do, the only things that mattered to me. Yeah, bear in mind and I won't abuse their hope. Man, I do what his family needs him to do. I'm coming home, everything should be alright. Baby, hold on, everything will be just fine. Come home, everything should be alright. Oh, mommy, come on, everything will be just fine. Yeah, I know you miss me, baby. This is what I sing in the flight. And I know the children too. So many times when I'm so far away, straight through my day, it took easy for a man to live this way. But I do, that's why I pray. When I come home, everything should be alright. Oh, mommy, hold on, everything will be just fine.
The fried fish.
When I'm home,
I fry the fish.
everything will be alright.
But I don't want to put off.
So baby, hold on, everything
I like
will
to
be
use of
just
the drink that is
fine. Hey, hold on, you, hold
come put your meat. You put your fish. Fried fish.
Hello guys, in case you like this music I'm singing, it's called I Am Coming Home by Morgan Heritage.
Okay.
Morgan Heritage, you know now. I'm coming home, everything will be just fine. It's a nice lovely music. I'm coming home, everything should be alright. Oh mommy, hold on.
Okay.
Everything
Egusi
should
soup
be
is there.
alright. Oh mommy, hold on. Everything
So-
will be just fine.
Man,
Everything
Man,
will be alright.
try it. You will love it.
So mommy, hold on.
Not to say-
Everything will be just fine.
I never get wife
Ooh.
because of that.
Ooh.
You
Oh.
no go come do wetin you want to.
Huh?
This one
Monica,
na
you still
fried
like
rice.
this very one where I want to sing, eh? Pam, 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 pam.
This one on fried rice.
Man is still a man, whether he wear jacket and tie or fearful. The only difference is whether him good or evil. Man is still a man, whether he rich or
But
poor.
not be kind of our fried rice, yeah? And
The
again,
only
the
difference
paprika,
is whether
it
him
dey
good
inside
or
free. So,
evil.
you know, na if it come mate, you
People
come be
of different people live in the street.
But-
Why pick your glass window
Okay.
just to get a little
Now-
food to eat? Alright.
You see the egusi soup, if you
Then
open
you
and shower,
others. When
you
you
want
sit
cover
and
it, if you
tight,
cover it.
walk it to
If
the
you want open and if you
95.
open it.
Take it for granted.
The oil
that
don't they
we
come
live in
up.
a
You see
better
the oil don't they come up.
life. I say the color of her skin.
Okay, now
the
the
minute
next
you
one on
do
board
not commit the sin. But what judged by the
is
sea?
to remove.
Jerusalem, where all be away, how we entertain angels on our way, or angels who move through me, where they hear from there.
I'll remove this one so that our feet
where
push
the
rice.
heavy jacket and tie, the only difference is whether him good or evil. Man is still a man, whether he rich or poor, black or half for sure. Only difference is whether him good or evil. Hey, hey, where a man and free or ray. All those well-fed moments, we should living life to treat a man right. Where we are all the same. Yeah, the most I cry, and he's still a man. Where he wear jacket and tie, hurry born fearful. Only difference is whether him good or evil.
I have to lower it. I have to take the fire down. Put it to 5.
Man, there's a lot of different people living in the street. Where people
Rice,
have
wash
just
rice.
window. This is what they do there today, just to
I
get
already
a
did
little
the wash,
food
huh?
to eat. And then you have others wearing suit and tie, walking to the 9 to 5. Take it for granted that they live in a better life. Man is still a man, whether
Okay,
he jacket
this
and
type
tie
of
or
fried
whether
rice,
he old. Only
not
difference
for
is whether he good or
if you are a
evil.
busy single mother.
Man is still a man, whether
That
he
was
rich
when
or
somebody-
poor, black or half for sure.
Teach me.
The only difference is whether he good
If you are a
or
busy
evil.
single mother,
Man is still a man.
you know, get time till they create one Saturday where you want to cut the do that, but you still want to give your children fried rice. You get all the paprika done like this.
Man, it's still a man.
What did they put? John, it remain nothing much. Now, so
I like it.
Because you see them for their packet, they call it either Brazilian or Mexican. I think it's Mexican rice. You see this one mixed up where I don't already fit
the
out.
Brescian.
I don't fit out the onions and
This music is full of love. Something really make your love understand. Bambili bili bambi bambili bam. Bambili bili 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 bam. I say stars the put you on the left hand side. Pass the chip on the left hand side. It go ban.
Maybe you just come back from work.
They don't only live day after. How will you feel when you got no food?
You just wash rice. You bring out your
How did you feel when you got no food?
You put the rice. I put this one so.
How would you feel when you got no food?
May I put small salt? I not to the last.
How would you feel when you got no food? Pass the chip on the left hand side. Pass the chip on the left hand side. It go ban.
Okay.
It go ban. Give me the music, make me jump in on the wall. So jump in, bam, billy, billy, bam, billy, bam, billy, billy, bam. What was going on? How would you feel when you got no food? You know it leads you on.
Okay. Then the rice don't dey inside this thing. You go carry your.
How did you feel when you got no food? Pass the chip on the left hand side. Pass the chip on the left hand side. It a go ban. It a go ban. Take it to the summer, me sell it to the beat. Give me little music, make me wind up me waist, me sell it to the drum, me sell it to the beat. Give me little music, make me wind up me waist. Pass the chip on the left hand side. Pass the chip on the left hand side. It a go ban. It a go ban. You're not ready, I say you're gonna go to play, you're not the stereo. I tell you, so, well, no, hear it on the disco. I tell you, when we want to play you on the radio, stereo. Pass the chip on the left side.
You see,
pass the chip
you don't
on the
already do the rice like this. You just leave and pull fire down. Go bait. Go and reach table. Before you bait, come back. The rice go don't dry, come up. When you open it, go don't soft. If you don't soft as you want, you put water around that again. You cover and now you don't miss one. You are coming back from work. 1 hour's time, everybody is eating. It used to work for me. Now, now after they do my things, that time people go say, they'll say, their children don't eat. Just they come back from work, so. Meanwhile, you were there assist. You go they think how you want to cook fried rice. Where me or boy go me where they come, don't cook sharp one. Oh, I too like this egusi soup. It's winter. Guys, try it. Okay? Try this system we I use for this egusi.
Yeah, man. Additional reggae yellow man, you know.
With bitter leaf.
London cool, repeat a get a little them London cool, repeat a get a little them London cool, repeat a get a little them. London cool, I never
so
get oh man. Do what on what on the prom in the prom. I we quote.
I want fry.
London cool, repeat a get a little them London cool, repeat a get a little them London.
With small hour like this, you will be able to do a lot one time for your family.
London cool. Repeat a get a little them London cool. Repeat a get a little them London cool. Repeat a get a little them.
They dance.
Kapashawa
Grace Jack, they dance.
Jeka kapashawa iyo. Reggae kapashawa iyo.
Okay, we are you, Nana.
Iyo, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. Jamaican water. Take you to.
Then I'll call clean. Yeah? Okay. That's cool. I love what you are doing with your wife.
Jamaica nice.
Bella. Bella F.
Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. Oh, don't you know I will stay. I belong to Jamaica. That's where I'm from. Take me home. Don't you know country home? Don't cool. Repeat a get a little them London cool. Repeat a get a little. Look at you like that song too much, right? Yeah, man. Nanti Raven. That's a daddy you right now. Oh, daddy you rest late, right?
Yes.
Yeah, a couple of weeks back, man. Me love that man, you know. Early in the morning, I rebel in the evening too.
Try my egusi style tomorrow. You love it. I take cook and just now. I put red oil here.
Soreba. And you mean it, you know.
The water.
I'm a capturer. So I'm dangerous.
But I don't put me because I don't want my meat to too done. Then I can't put egusi soup. I can't cover. Can't open Maggi. Can't cover.
Nothing in this world.
Then I can't put meat and every other thing. Like that. If you don't
then I got a lot of work to do. I'm a living man. I've got job to do. I'm a rebel. A rebel in the evening. Cerebral. I'm a rapturer. So I'm dangerous. Rainbow. Rainbow. Yeah, this not have mercy, man.
Okay.
You gotta love, man. Yeah. Have mercy on the good man and happen. We pray, Jaman. Somebody, wow! Yeah, man.
I'm frying good meat.
Man was made to suffer. Yeah. Woman was made to feel the pain. Swore you. Get somebody. Wow! Yeah, man. I don't know that is you, right, man. Pum. To be where. But Iyaki, you need to pay me for this entertainment because
really try.
you actually beg me to keep you company, right?
You really try for it.
Okay then.
See as the food take quick because of you.
Okay.
I'm almost
Was made to suffer, yeah, yeah, yeah. Woman was made to feel the pains, woy. You get to continually, man.
This is my fried fish.
This one you gotta be where.
Here are lobo. But not to go back there. You know they forget something. You know they forget something. To touch the top of the
Ah, man, this guy, younger, in love, whoa. Young little girl says she loving Natty Drake, she loving Natty Drake, younger. Young little girl says she loving Natty Drake, she loving Natty Drake, yeah. Monica, when I never grow when we take this one rock for club, oh. Yeah, these are Don Carlos and the Gold Man, Bombo Class. And it will be so sad. I love her, oh. And she love her, yeah. I love her, oh. And she love her, oh. Young lady wants to skate on the street. All the boys say she looks so sweet. When she's walking on the street, all the girls say I love her, oh. And she love her, oh. I love her, oh. Okay, you remember the music, right? Eh?
Yes.
You know say now Ukodo na Benin play for Benin.
Yes.
When I don't like this kind of one, eh?
No.
We did different words, you know. You love, in love, you don't mean I dreadlocks. I mean I dreadlocks. Eh?
Play Ukodo for us.
No way. Young little girl says she loving Natty Drake. She loving Natty Drake, young girl.
And you know, all those musicians those days, like Ukodo, una be they carry am for Ekpoma.
Yeah, I just see
people they carried them for them.
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see them now. I know Akaba and the rest. Those days.
Una still they carry them like una people want to bury a with money.
Yeah, not be Benin musicians they come. So how far? You don't finish?
Almost. I just wanted them to see this otherwise. Thank you so much, my Facebook people. I really tried. Wow, hope you enjoyed that story. Please, if you dey live life like that, try to cut them off. Try. You will know what will you gain when you get the whole world.
Don't believe
you will deceive yourself. I get this, I get that. You don't get nothing. It's not nice. You can work out and get everything. If you say it's not possible, a person tell you, I bet they go. It's not possible. As you just be so.
Really? I don't know.
You will no level so. You
We
say
will
you
never
fit
say
still make
there's
am for
somebody's
life.
no.
Yes, you
Somebody's
can.
mystical
Yes, you
magnification
can. But
within. We
do you
keep
know
on
how you have to
coming
start?
together. I love
See how-
to see
see how you
brothers
gonna
and
start.
sisters looking out for one
One leg.
another. That's the
Owó
way
pọ́pà
should be,
Zebiketi.
not
Owó pọ́pà.
contrary. Start tearing
One
down
leg.
each other.
One step at a
And
time,
the
you will
bad
get there.
people.
I know one
Over
woman for this social
hills
media.
and valleys too.
That woman, old woman for this social media.
Don't believe on me.
That woman, I think that time it don't pass 50 years. Amata can't come. They can't disgrace her well. Even a family member.
That they don't wait you.
Now he bring and come. He can't say no level for her. No level. No better paper. Can't even say even the bashawo self. Now so no this. Since next marry I know that one. This thing where they talk, so maybe it happened like 3 years ago. The woman, you don't care herself. What did she do? She can't really serious for better work. She can't dey work. She can't dey save money. She can't really dey work. She can't really serious. Okay? He never said that day. The woman can't show me something where he do for herself. And he can't say thank you, Monica.
Don't believe on me.
I can say thank you too. All those things, no say when for a day. Like Monica, if you tell me, I tell you those best. But the one with me always they tell una, not the one who not change your life, una life. See one man where they tell that they say yak betu wa mi no if you get you on a boy ye face. Hey, it didn't make one loy. No one ya shine, wa shine. Okay? Because if una don't they shine, una no feed your they bring person down. But when you don't really get real life for your life, you go to face everybody be like you. Audio everything. Audio this, audio that. No. You see how? That woman can't really go the work. You see one small thing where the woman show me. Man come. You understand? So please, you too. It's not over until it's over. Few months ago, just that Eri Yanwa we me why did they jire kakakaka. 5 months ago for my own, just 5 months ago, only God know what they talk about me. Only God know in short. But today, this is me. So please, don't give up. Don't continue to live a fake life. If you say something lie to cover or something because of situation where you did or some kind of thing where you did or one enemy where you did, don't let it continue. Emma umio bevason or where you dey control when body dey 20 something 30 something when your heart they do like this. You they worry, you know too they worry, your face still they control your body, everything where they worry, if you still they control your heart, the thing you know you get BP, you know get nothing yet. But when you don't pass 40, 50, when you they live that kind of life, your mind not they reach ground. Always thinking about the next life where you want to cover the other life, where you want to cover the other life, where you want to cover it they cause depression. I beg yeke. You go depressed because where you say you dead, you not even dead there, and only you want no say you not dead there. The rest people where you tell you know they feed there. Ordinary respect now na the life of una want respect una go lie. Respect na something where be say. Outside the respect, you don't get anything where they cut for your body. But respect where you get for yourself, then go make the whole world really respect you. You give person money, he worship you today, you know they last long. Otherwise, people where we don't ever help with money, therefore not they kill us put. is because any love with money, any attraction you call with money, any loyalty you create for yourself with money, it is not love. When there is no commitment of that money, you will see true color of everybody. That's why it's good to guide yourself or surround yourself with real and true people. They will be there for you anytime, any day. The people where you use fake love, take buy. When something jawa, they go cower because they wasn't there for their heart. But because of what you throw for ground, they take come around. Try to build a good lovers, a good real people for yourself. It is better to have one that is worth it than to have the whole world that will surprise when your true life will come and you say, it's better. Just get one person who really knows you and they will love you for who you are when you live your life, than to have the whole world respecting you, thinking you are very high. At the end of the day, look, let me tell you, my dear people, what is not real can never be real. But it will cost you a lot to be covering it. It is not worth it. You play ojoro for paper, no problem. That one, no problem. You play ojoro for marriage, to get government money, no problem. Those are situations everybody knows. Who cares? But you play ojoro to continue to be rich when you are not rich. It's deadly. Very deadly.
Worry yourself, mommy.
Especially when all your riches are just material things. Where they roti, where they fade away, where they keke, where not the lepers carry. Bye. Bye. So much love, you guys. I enjoyed this night. You really have said that one. Even I'm when you live video, but now when you finish a live video, you know the cookie, a pot, a fried rice in your tongue. Hey. Your camera. Why can't I? They don't say they don't sleep. You see, now so my life be. Then tomorrow now, Friday dagbe. For what I want to do tomorrow, you yourself, you go they want that. You see, you see what I tell you just now. Say before you go bath, come back when you come back from work. You don't cook fried rice. You don't cook jollof fried rice. This is jollof fried rice. I never put the ingredients of, but this na meat water and oil where I take fry the content. I do this one so we don't make the rice almost don't press. Some people like their rice like this already. For me, because this one they here, this oil no one may waste, so I'm going to use it to make it still press down. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to cover it again. Okay, that's why that time I see say as I do live video reach, I don't use money till they buy McDonald's for children, hamburger, fricandel, jeje food. No. My children was still eating good food, hot meat. But if they come back from work, I will enter kitchen. All those things where I buy, I'll just do one quick Friday. I'll just put on here, I'll go bath. I'll they make up, I'll come down. I'll they make up, I'll they check, I'll they make up for kitchen. They check. Before me, they make up in I don't share food for children, they don't they eat. Meanwhile, you wait there since you go to talk. Yeah, well, the fried rice. Oh, you better walk for me. Oh, you mean a boom. Oh. Oh, where get sink? When I walk back, I Akosare where you dey papa to me. The fried chicken you see, the later you see. So only at a normal go or zigbe. Okay? That's why they do like video here. When I present my children, they still look presentable as I busy. Organize yourself very well. Stop unnecessary gossip. Will make you the least lazy. Daddy Kuekpa, Lare, you finish in it, come take one goat meat. And for your good job. Bye, bye. Love you. You are a complete housewife material love. I clap for you. Good night. Thank you for your word of wisdom. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.